Good morning, dear students. Today we shall discuss about the first chapter of 10th class. The name of the chapter is Rise of Nationalism in Europe. The Rise of Nationalism in Europe. This is the first chapter of history of 10th class, which is based on NCERT. The name of the chapter is The Rise of Nationalism in Europe. What is the meaning of nationalism? First of all, we should have clear about the meaning of the chapter. The word is nationalism. Nationalism means all spirit, factors, all efforts which are necessary to collectively, which remarks collectively the group of the people who remark themselves that they belong to the same ancestral heritage, culture, that they belongs to a separate entity, and that make them to be a nation which are bound on specific factors that may be. Basically, this is a sense of collectively identity, whatever I have earlier made. Collectively identities, one who are before some century that they live together on causes of language or region. Do you think a few centuries ago there was a continent Europe, but no nation like Britain, Germany, Italy, France. Masses of the people living, they have different states, they have kings, but they had no nation. The nation comes into the existence with advent of French Revolution. As all of you know that French Revolution that took over in 1789 against the dictatorship, the tyranny, तानाशाही के खिलाफ, revolution of the common people. Who are those people who make revolution against the tyranny, against the dictatorship, against the kingdomship? These are people, middle class people, revolutionaries. Revolutionaries are those people who do not easily accept the social evil prevailing in their time. क्रांतिकारी वो लोग होते हैं जो समाज की विषमताओं को आसानी से स्वीकार नहीं करते, चाहे वो किसी के भी खिलाफ हो. And rise of new middle class. Middle class is the source of all famous revolutionaries of the world. First of all, we discussed about meaning of nationalism. How some of people claim themselves that they belong to a nation. Why they call themselves a nation? Collectively identities may be based on color, religion, language, specific culture. That may be. When French Revolution got success against dictatorship, then the revolutionaries who got success against dictatorship, they claim that all people of the France, not only France but whole world, belongs to some basic humanitarian rights. What are they? Liberty, equality, liberalism, fraternity. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि आज के जो भारत के संविधान के बारे में आपको बताया जाता है, whatever you have been told about the constitution of the India, what are the basic principle on whatever our constitution has been written down, that are liberty, equality, fraternity, liberalism. These words comes from the result of the French Revolution. These ideas spread out not only in Europe but all major countries of the world, whatever they may be. यानी फ्रांस की जो रेवोल्यूशन हुई वो सक्सेस हुई डिक्टेटरशिप के खिलाफ और ह्यूमन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, क्योंकि सारे के सारे जो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं बेसिकली दे आर ऑल द सेम, बिकॉज दे आर ऑल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, सो दे मस्ट हैव कॉमन राइट्स without any discrimination that arose from the French Revolution. What are they? Liberty, equality, fraternity, and liberalism. These ideas spread out in France, Germany, Italy, England. You have to note it down, these 4 countries as per the exam point of view. And second point, what is I am going to mention today, the reason for nationalism, spread nationalism in Europe. First, rise of revolution, whatever I have earlier made, spread of ideology, liberalism, rise of new middle class, Treaty of Vienna. What is Treaty of Vienna? I shall discuss in next class. Romantic imagination, poor condition and the hardship of the factory workers and peasants and weavers. All administration of the world, if not success to peace with the common people, including labor class, then that may not continue for the long time. Whatever people assemble themselves and struggle against their inhumanities, injustice, etc., that resulted as a revolution. And thanks for today. In the next class, we shall discuss some more important questions regarding this chapter, and they are near to expected in our forthcoming UP board exams. Thanks for today. That's all.